Welcome to our weekly update. Here is a roundup of what we've been up to this week and what we've got to look forward to. As you know, each week we have lessons on a Tuesday morning for our behaviour curriculum. We've been reminded this week about what we've been learning so far. So we've recapped the STAR technique, which I can see being used really well across the school. Students are showing a very positive attitude in lessons and demonstrating a high level of attention quickly when the teacher says 3, 2, 1, STAR. The students have also been working on how to use the think, pair, share technique with their partners in lessons. Thank you to the Year 7 parents who came into school to meet with their children's form tutor on Thursday. This was a new meeting that we introduced this year so that parents could speak to their child's form tutor about how they are settling in to school life at Middlewich. We've had some lovely comments about how the Year 7s are really enjoying their high school experience. Attached to this email is a letter from Mr. Hopper which outlines plans for the Aspire programme this year. Mr. Hopper will be running a series of topic-based workshops around different subjects such as psychology, zoology, and these sessions will cover different areas, topics linked to A-level courses that are not currently part of our Key Stage 4 offer. This will give them a taste of potential future career paths as well. Students can sign up to all of the sessions or just specific ones depending on their interests. So please have a read of that letter. I would like to introduce you to some new arrivals here at Middlewich High School. We have Sammy and Bucky and Shirley the Snail. So Sammy and Bucky are here to support with literacy interventions and emotional literacy workshops. And Miss Collins has been getting them school ready. So now they're coming to school slightly more regularly. They can be found in our learning resource area. So welcome. Well done to our Year 9 and 8 boys football teams who attended football festivals this week. I went along and watched some of the Year 8 boys. They played really well at Hertford. Next week we have a Year 7 boys football festival in Winsford, and the Year 10-11 girls football team have a Cheshire Cup game against Holmes Chapel, so I am looking forward to seeing that. The sports ambassadors are also in action at the Primary Schools Cross Country Festival on Thursday. Well done to our Work of the Week winners who were nominated for great work in Science and CamNat PE. It was lovely to talk to the students about their aspirations and also how we're going to develop our house system, which will be launched with some new heads of house next week. Here are some of the dates for the diary. On Wednesday, Year 9 students will be off timetable having a fantastic workshop with a company called Human Utopia. We used those last year in Year 9 as well, and it made a big difference to that current year group. They're going to look at their future aspirations and also how they develop their sense of belonging to the year group and to the school. A reminder that representatives from Sir John Dean Sixtham College will be in school to answer any questions about applications because the window opens on the 11th of October and until it closes on the 23rd of November. So they're going to be here for a drop-in session at lunchtime for anybody who would like to have more information about those applications. Then we've got some other activities coming on later in the half term, and a reminder that we break up on the 24th of October. So I hope you all have a lovely weekend. See you next week.